Man. We are having a day. We are having a day. This tweet says it all. Is Bitcoin spot ETFs approved? What the heck is going on? So first, we got this this document that I wish I could zoom in on, but it's the CBO, the Chicago-based options exchange, the biggest exchange in options in the world that has a leaked document that says we're approved, everybody. We're approved. Guess who else released this? We have a look at this other document, another detailed filing. SEC Securities Exchange, SEC.gov. .gov. Now this might come out as fake later on, but hey, right now it is true. We also have ARK, not ARK, ARK Invest or ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF that's has available preview orders. And then VanEck Bitcoin Trust ETF. And the symbol is HODL. Now that one makes me think it's a joke. That one makes me think there's nothing really to it. But I still believe, without a shadow of a doubt, that the SEC is about to approve these Bitcoin ETFs. And if anything that happened yesterday with Bitcoin's price going from 45,000 to 48,000 lets you know what the crypto market is going to do once that news is actually confirmed and released. Now, it's not going to be confirmed nor released up until 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, at least according to this article and other things that we have seen spread throughout the news outlets that are available to us, right? So that even though it's not confirmed from the SEC, I believe themselves, it is a date to go off of. It is a time that gives us some certainty and something to look forward to, right? Because I don't, if the SEC is really going to be the type to release this news at midnight, I think that's just a little clapback at the people that released the news on their Twitter page that hacked them. By the way, no double authentication, SEC. So you allow someone to get your phone number and hack your account and tweet that Bitcoin ETFs are coming out. So much for that security. I don't like being this guy, but I think the SEC deserves it after everything they've put us crypto people through with XRP, with Cardano, with everything else. Kraken, can you actually confirm the safety of your investors? Well, your actions have led to a lot of people losing a lot of money during that time period. Now, some people still didn't lose any money, but there's people that did lose money because of that hack. And the US is coming down on the SEC regarding that. I'm going to quickly find what the US is going to what the US stated to the SEC, but the what you need to know and what I can recall to you is that the SEC is being requested by the US, hey, why did you get hacked? How did you get hacked? How and why did you allow this to happen? And thirdly, what is your attempts? What is your plan to repay the investors that lost money? Because y'all are a representation of the United States and their security, and you are responsible for protecting the US's investors, the people's money. So that's why I'm acting like this. Not usually that guy, but hey, if there's a chance to stick it to the SEC, I'm going to take that opportunity just quickly, right? But all in all, that is the precipice of today's video. Just straight to the point. There's nothing that we don't need to just talk about it and just beat around the bush. I'm not a 5-minute article that's going to state the same thing over and over and over again. Now, one thing that did come to mind that I do want to explain is what's the difference between ETFs that we have now and the spot ETFs that we will be coming out that will be coming out in the future. The difference between the ETFs that we have now and the ones coming out in the future. The ones now are futures ETFs. The ones that are coming out now are spot ETFs. Spot ETFs are on the spot. You are trading this token for its current value on the spot. And when you sell it, you are selling it for that value that's on the spot. When it comes to futures, you are basically assuming or predicting, whichever word you want to use, what price is what is the price of Bitcoin going to be, or what is the price of that asset or that whatever you're trading is going to be at on that specific day, right? So someone could say, if I wanted to put out a futures contract, I would say that Bitcoin is going to be 200, 300,000 in 2025, and in 2025, not just 2025, but March 30th of 2025. That would be a futures contract, and I would have to uphold that contract with the other person that's saying it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen for that date and time period, right? So that's the futures. A spot, where's Bitcoin at right now? I'm buying Bitcoin for where it's at right now. 45,000 or $46,000, my fault. $46,000. Now, I am trading or I'm going to sell it because now Bitcoin just got approved. The ETFs just got approved. I'm going to sell it for $48,000. Boom, profit right then and there. But if it's a futures, I got to hold on to it. So that's the difference. That's the difference. And I just saved you 6 minutes or 10 minutes of your life reading an article that's going to try to explain it to you and just keep reiterating the same thing to you. Compromise to falsely say Bitcoin ETFs were approved. Boom, law enforcement looking into the incident, the regulators say, but there's a little bit more to it. And guess what? In the land of the free, I have to pay. I have to pay to see this article. But you guys basically understand this. I'm in the video before you guys even get to this point. Thank you guys all for watching. It's Scripted Legend signing out. Y'all have a blessed one. Stay safe. Peace.